Yeah, hi, myself Anshul, and I'm a full stack developer holding an experience of 16 plus years. And with the mostly the backend technology I've been using is PHP and Node.js, mostly in PHP, that is using frameworks like CI, Cake PHP, and the mostly used framework Laravel. So with the Laravel, I'm holding an experience of around 12 plus years, starting with the base version Laravel 4.0 till the current version. And I've been working with many domains like medical domains, e-commerce domains, health domains, automation domains, and other than that, with the front end, I have a massive experience with HTML, CSS, JS, Angular, AngularJS, React, Vue. So uh, I'm just starting with one of my enterprise level project that I built using Laravel and Angular. So in that, with the backend, I developed all the current system that is built with multiple clients, multiple vendors, and a SaaS-based product. So in which the user will be able to use their own SaaS products by entering the subdomain. And other than that, we also provide a white label solution. So if they don't want any subdomain or anything, we can go switch the same product into a white label solution, having a single code base, but multiple databases. So each client will have their own database. This reduces the load on the server and on MySQL also, as we are using MySQL. Plus, with this, we have integrated the Solar into it so that the query optimization and the API speed for getting the data will be enhanced very widely. And other than Solar, I've been using Elasticsearch also for e-commerce products that are having a million of products into it, so that the search availability of the application will be at a very high level. So while working in these domains, I've been come through and many challenges that I've been working, and I become a solution architecture also to provide the solution of any kind of technical problems or technical difficulties that we can face in a project, how to implement, how to make it a live product then from a dream. So I started working with the client which just had the dream that okay, they will be building something like this, and when we started building it, we come across many challenges, and I was successfully able to resolve all of them and to make the user and the UI of the application so much better, so that the user can easily use it rather than being a technical person. Other than that, with the front end, I have used Angular in this project, and with the Angular, we built a lot of system integrating the KPIs, report management, payment gateway, subscription management, single payment management, webinars, seminars, and then selling online products and dispatch events, dispatching, taking care of all the dispatches, and the route management for the dispatches, that where it is going, where user can find a better route to reach to their place. Other than that, video calling, in which we have a video call integrated and built a system for a video calling using WebRTC, so that, and the socket IO also, so that the user will having a seamless experience of a video conferencing, plus screen annotation, marking on screens, and any kind of video calling that is needed, whether it is a single or multiple or a group call, or it can be anything like setting up a webinar for 100 of people by integrating the third-party APIs like Zoom we use for this. And other than that, with the report generation, I've been working densely with the report generation, payment report generation, user report generation, system reports, product reports, any kind of reports that are there, so we can easily get them. Plus, with this, I have a great experience with DevOps also, working with many different servers, whether it is a private server, dedicated hosted server, shared server, cloud server, whether it is a GI, Google Cloud servers, or it is a AWS. So I've been working on all the domains and having a good experience of setting up all the servers from the ground level, from a plain server to a well-formed server that is being taken care of around thousands of people at a time by managing different backend technologies to be integrated in a single place. Like if you go with the AWS, then we can have load balancers, we can have the route managements, we can have the RDBMS to be connected, and Elasticsearch to optimize and enhance it, Solar to optimize the database, server level caches, application level caches, third party caches like Cloudflare. And with this, I come to the very brief experience of solution architecture also, to provide the solution and a consultant for any kind of product that is being there. It doesn't matter whether it is in a same technology or not, but always the logic and the implementation of the current problem will always make it easier and faster way to solve it if you have a experience of problem handle skills. So I comes with a very great experience with that also. And one of the more project that I built for a health domain industry was an applied particle technology, in which uh, we integrated the sensors of the different places in that for the client, which are whatever the multiple clients, they are taking their sites and they're implementing like heat sensor, wind sensor, water sensors, and tracking the global heat level and predicting the next few hours or next few weeks that how the weather will be there, and according to that the sensor how they will behave if there are any kind of emergency, setting up the alarms for the safety of the users. So this technology was built, the front end I built it in Angular and the back end is in .NET. So for the front end I've been building the whole system and architecture for it, and it is being used widely by many of the clients that are being using this system for their safety purposes, by collaborating and getting the whole census data, by taking necessary actions whenever a sensor is not working or any issue is there regarding the sensor. We are taking the alarms for the users, integrating the SCS by AWS for email, and integrating the load balancers, creating multiple servers for a single instance so that they can be run parallelly. If one server is getting down, the second server will be taking the load, by managing the load balancing properly. Other than that, HTTPS, SSLs, I've been working with mostly all kind of SSLs, because there are different type of SSLs that client doesn't know when they are trying to buy it. So always to consult that what is a better way, because sometimes when we purchase SSL they are pretty much at a higher cost, but the same thing that we need we can get it at less cost. So I'll always try to suggest and consult my clients to go with a better solution. Sometimes they are cheaper, sometimes they are not, so it always depends upon the need. So once I will be getting into any project, I always take the initiative to be owning that project, coming with all the solutions, all the implementation that is better for the project. Other than that, taking all the information from client, by taking all his views, his concerns, what he is trying to build, what he is trying to do with the project, and if there are any better solution, I always provide them, and I always provide a solution that can be helping them in their current growth. Thank you.